Hello children, this is grade 4, block 24 and S2, right? So today topic, open your reader children. Turn to, open your reader page number 149, right? Observe these two pictures, okay? Now turn the page 150 and read out from here to here. So already you have learned in yesterday's class what is soil, isn't it? So what is soil here? The uppermost layer of the earth crust is called the soil, right? So all living depends upon soil. Several animals live in this soil. So several animals are home for several animals. Homes are for several animals, okay? Not only that, plants will grow on the soil. Without soil, plants cannot grow without soil, isn't it? So it is a valuable natural resource, right? So now thickness of soil is different at different places on the earth, right children? So today we are going to observe now a soil profile, okay? What is soil profile, isn't it? It is a vertical section of soil like a diagram you are going to see. So this is called a soil profile. This is called a soil profile. So today you are going to observe this and you will do this experiment also. So how you have to do the experiment? Take one tumbler, glass tumbler you take, right? Take one glass tumbler, okay? Like this it should be. Take one glass tumbler, okay, and fill it with garden soil. Fill it with garden soil. You have to fill with the garden soil and pour water till here. End of the mouth you have to pour the water and keep it aside. Evening you do it, whole night let it be. Keep it at night and next day morning you observe. So you will observe the soil in different layers. So today topic is layers of soil. So soil is made up of different layers. So today's is layers of soil. Layers of soil. So soil is made up of different layers. When you see here, this you can observe very carefully, isn't it? So when you see the first layer, is called humus. The first layer is called humus, right? Now, when we see the second layer is called, when you see here, clay. Right? Third layer, when you see here, just you see clay will be there. So now I'll explain you. Okay. Now, clay, silt, sand, everything will be there over here. So here, the sequence of layers of the soil profile, it contains sandy soil, silt soil, clay soil and loamy soil. Okay. So humus will be there, water will be there, clay will be there, sand will be there and gravel also will be there. Gravel also will be there. So now here, now we are going to observe the different types of soils. So the first one is humus. Humus means, see here, open your workbooks children. In workbook page number 41, here we are having the diagram. Okay. So just you see this diagram and color this tree in green color and you write down the first one is humus. Here clay, silt, okay. Next sand, right here sand, stones you write here. Next one here you write rocks. Like this, okay? Like this you have to write. Why the soil is made up of different layers? Here I will explain you. When you see the humus, this is the topmost layer of the soil, okay? So plants decaying, leaves, moss. This layer is very thin. It is an organic. It contains. It is called as an organic layer also. Okay. Now we will go with the next one. Clay. This clay, it contains what, children? Here you got in this one clay. It contains what? Second layer, tiny particles, silt, very soft soil will be there. Okay, small particles of clay will be there. Now we will go with third one, silt. Silt also like clay only. Okay. Next one we will go with the sand. Sand will be there. Next stones will be there. Okay. Sand means here when you see this silt means subsoil it is called. Okay. So, silt, clay. Okay. Broken down stones will be there over here. So it's made up of sand and silt. Okay, children. And clay also will be there. So here now less organic matter will be there over here. Now coming to the sand, children, here when you see the sand, we can this sand and stones. Sand means layers of rocks, slightly withered rocks will be there. Okay, withered rocks will be there, and powder of granite. It will be like a small pieces of granite. Okay, it will be that. Stones will be there. Okay. Now big rocks you will find. So this is called, the last layer of the soil is called a bed of rock, because it will have a solid rocks. Last layer will be there. Right? Okay. Now same thing, just observe this one. Okay. So here what you have to do, just you draw the diagram over here. Right? Draw the diagram. Okay. Just draw the diagram. Draw the diagram, humus, and you do over here clay. Do just clay over here. Next one we are having a silt. Okay. Just to do it. Next one sand you will find over here. Next one stones you will find over here. Okay. Next one you will see a big rocks you will find over here. Just you draw it and color it very neatly. Right, children? Now open your reader, page number 150. Okay. So here when you see this one in page number 150, here the soil is made up of particles of different sizes, isn't it? So the first form layers with lighter particles on top and heavy particles at the bottom, right? The top layer is light and dark brown in color. It is made up from humus, right? Which is formed by decay or fallen leaves, dead plants and animals. The next layer contains fine particles of clay. Already I showed you. The third layer contains slightly bigger, okay, particles called silt. Okay. Now the fourth layer is sand, of which bigger particles. The bottom layer is made up of stones. As we dig the earth, we can see these layers. When you do this experiment also, just now I have given you the experiment. If you do that experiment also, you can find out the layers very easily. So do that experiment, children. So now here discussion is over. After this discussion, you have to complete your worksheet. Okay, after worksheet, home assignment, question answers you have to go. Now we will go with workbook, children. So here workbook. So in this lesson, I asked some brainstorming question. What is soil? I asked you. Activity also I told you to do. Now discussion is also over about this different layers of soil, about soil profile. Now workbook, what you have to write for the workbook? Page number 41. Here layers of soil. See question number 1 here is there. Karthik filled a jam bottle with garden soil. He added water to it. He left it and went to play. What do you think will he observe when he comes back after 2 hours? So just how Karthik did this experiment, you you also should do this experiment. So what you will observe, what you are going to observe also, you must note, you must write that in your classwork book on the left side of the page. Okay, and he will observe that all the water has been soaked in by water in the bottle. That answer you have to write. And this diagram, already it is there in the workbook, but you have to draw this diagram on the left side of your science classwork book. Now we will go with question number 3. What is 3? Which is the most important layer of soil for plants? What would happen without it? Just now I told you which is the most important. The upper layer is most important layer of the soil for plants, because here the most important layer of soil for plants is humus or top layer, right? It has nutrients for the plants. It is called as an organic layer also. It is fertile. Okay, it is made by the decay of plants and animals. Plants would not grow properly without this layer. So we have to add humus to the soil as manure for plants to grow fertility. Okay, this answer you have to write. So which is the most important layer of the soil for plants? What would happen without it? So just now I explained. So children, whatever the work I have given for you in workbook, page number 41, please write neatly and correctly. And diagram also. Diagram you have to label it with pencil, children. Labeling don't do with pen, you have to do with pencil. And question answers. And question answers you must complete neatly and correctly in classwork book. Even this diagram also you have to draw very neatly with pencil in classwork book. Thank you. So page number 150, 152, reader, draw a diagram to show layers of soil. So this one you have to draw, okay. Draw a diagram to show. The diagram you have to see from workbook and draw, okay. And you can see on the board also, I have shown you the diagram. This also you can see and draw, and or from the workbook also you can see. Question number 4. What does the upper layer of soil contain? Why is this layer most important for the growth of plants? Turn to page number 150 for fourth answer. Here it is. See, the uppermost layer is dark brown in color. It mainly contains humus formed by the decay of dead plants and animals. It is the most fertile layer of the soil. That answer you have to write. So whatever the work I have given for you in the worksheet as well as. Now we will go with question answers. Just turn to page number 152, children. In this 152, just see the third one. Draw a diagram to show layers of soil. So